humanda kayo mamaya sa akin, Vivian.
Oh, bakit damay ako? Baka dapat si Kurt ang sisihin, ma'am, dahil kung hindi siya nakialam, siguradong kay Lilet bumagsak yung chandelier.
Basta, magkita tayo mamaya, hintayin niyo ako.
Opo, ma'am.
Hindi pwedeng wala doon si Paco. Kailangan nandun siya. Kailangan ko pa kasi sumama kay Ramir dito sa venue para alam ko kung ano nangyayari sa investigation. I need to make sure that they don't suspect that it was intentional. Basta kailangan malinis ang lahat.
Opo.
Malinis? Anong kailangan malinis, Mom?
Trixie, how long have you been standing there?
Oh, I just got here. So, what was it you said about needing everything to look clean?
Oh, the venue. Kailangan malinis ang venue para kay Miss Wave. You know my friend, Miss Wave? Nakita niya kasi itong party. So, nagustuhan niya and she wants to organize one pagdating ng husband niya galing Europe.
Miss Wave? Pero diba hindi naman siya nakarating nung taste testing natin? And I don't recall any Miss Wave at the party last night. So, paano niya nakita yung venue and nagustuhan pa niya?
I recorded a video for her. And she saw it and she liked the place. At saka meron na namang sariling website yung venue. Hindi ba hanap na tayo ng daddy mo doon? Halika na, bumalik na tayo. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.